Kaibigan, may tao sabi ng line, isang halamang dagat si Adrian, isang basya. Bakla pala siya. Namiss niyo ba yung term na yan? Ginamit ko yan a year ago eh. Nakalimutan ko naman. Basya. O diba? Si Ceylon Ching ay basya. Bakla pala siya. Sorry kumakain ako ng lapu-la. Yabang. Diyan, kumain ka na? May pagkain sa labas. Kumain ka, lapu-lapu. Sarap. Diba? Mga pagkain bibira ko matikman eh. Kaya kahit panis yung kinakain ko, tinatira ko eh. May tao sa kabilang line. Isa pong halamang dagat, isang basya po nasa kabilang line. Hello?
Yes, hello.
Oh, diba ang galing? Yes, hello? May maglalim niya. Yes, hello? Adrian, how are you?
I'm so fine, Papa Jack.
Oh, really? Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh my God, it's so nice to talk to you. Adrian?
Yes, Papa Jack.
Where are you from?
Hello.
Sabi ko, where are you from?
I'm from Makati.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Oh my God. So, how young is Adrian?
I'm 24 years old.
And what is your motto in life?
Live life. Enjoy. That's it.
Parang ano yan, logo ng isang vitamins yan
Hindi
Ano? Live life?
And enjoy. Iba yan,
live
diba?
life to the fullest. Ano yun, diba?
Pangkaraniwan na yun.
Ano? Live life and enjoy.
Yes.
So, do you enjoy life, Adrian?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Very much.
Oh my God. So, Adrian, tell me, what do you do?
I'm office staff here in Makati.
You're at work right now?
Yes.
You're at work right now? So, what is your function in the office?
I'm an analyst.
Analyst? So, what do you analyze?
It's too confidential.
Really? Like documents or data,
Yeah, in data management.
Data man. Do you also do phone calls like that?
Not really.
No, but you speak so good.
I'm sorry. Excuse.
You speak so... Oh my God, you're coughing over there. Oh my God.
By the way, I'm not a gay.
So what are you?
I'm a straight guy.
Okay. Wala, joke lang naman to, pre. Sabi ni Penda, pating ka daw eh.
Hindi.
Ceylon, di ba, tinanong ko si Penda. Penda, anong color? Kasi mga kaibigan, para alam nyo, TLC po, ako sumasagot ng tawag. Pag Wild Confessions na, si Penda na. Sabi ko, Penda, anong color na? Sabi ni Penda, Juding po.
Baka sa boses ko, and I used to work at the call center kasi.
Tama, di ba? Sinabi niya. Di ba? Sabi ko, basya yung color. You're not a gay?
I'm not.
Oh my God, but you sound like one. Why don't you turn out to be a gay na lang? So I can read you very well.
Talaga. Boses bading ako. I got 2 kids na nga eh.
Brenda Flex, ang laka, may anak pala to! Nag-pass the phone daw ba?
Dapat, pero hindi ako na lang yung magko-confess.
Hindi, ikaw ba yung kausap ni Penda kanina?
Yes po.
Penda,
yes, Papa Jack.
Naku, anong masabi mo kay Penda? Gumawa ng kwento.
No.
Pati yung no niya, baklang-bakla eh. Sabi ko, anong masabi mo kay Penda? Gumawa ng kwento. Sabi niya, no.
Talaga.
Well,
just wait about my confession.
Adrian, I cannot blame Panda for telling me you're a gay because you sound as if you're gay.
So, I don't know.
I don't know too. Oh, Adrian.
Yes, Papa Jack.
Oh my God. You are so gay.
Talaga? Sorry.
You're so gay. You sound like you're so Gay.
Magtatagalog na lang ako parang, yan, hindi na ba sound like a gay?
Still.
Hindi talaga ako bakla, ano ba?
Randolph Villasana and Richard Babon, happy listening. Say hi to them.
Kanina.
To them.
Hi. Hello.
All right. Can we maintain, how we talk? I think it's fine listening to this.
Really?
We talk gay. Would that be okay with you?
That's okay.
Oh, just to turn the conversation really good. Can we talk like we're so gay?
Oh, no problem.
All right. So, are you a gay?
I'm not. I'm a straight guy.
Okay. But if you will be a gay, what will be your name? Adriana. Oh my God. So
I like.
You're claiming that you're not a gay, but you have a prepared name.
No, because you asked me if I were a gay.
But you have it prepared for you.
No, because Adrian, the nearest girl name is Adriana, right?
Oh my God, I'm starting to doubt on you. I think in your next life,
I'm a gay.
You will be a hardcore gay.
No, that won't happen.
Like, man, hardcore, man.
No, it won't, I swear.
All right, so you're making a confession this morning.
Yes.
Okay, so I had an issue in the office a few months ago, and my boss specifically told me I should not speak in English.
Really? Why is
Yeah,
that?
because he might fire me.
Why? There's no problem in speaking
But I
in
think,
English.
the way we talk tonight, this is so funny.
Amazing. Sounds amazing, right?
Yeah, amazing, splendid. Splendid.
Splendid. All right.
May mga vocabulary ako, ha? And, the good thing tonight is, my phone is dead, so my boss cannot text me.
That's a great news.
So I will not know if my boss will fire me up until later on, so we can go on.
That's perfect.
All right, splendid.
Amazing.
How we talk tonight, this is so fun that Salin Ching and Chico Loco they want to join.
That sounds fun. A lot of fun.
I have a workmate here named Chico Loco.
Chico Loco.
Yeah, and his chicks are so big. Humongous.
Chicks or...
Yeah, and I think he will enjoy the conversation.
Amazing. Is he gay or what?
I don't know. Let's ask him. Hey, Chico, are you a gay?
Hey, Chick, you're gay?
Oh, the caller is asking you. Hey, come over here, Chico. Someone wants to talk to you.
In gay lingo.
In gay lingo? Oh, Chico Lock is here. There's your microphone, Chico. Yeah, someone wants to talk to you. You're on.
I'm sorry?
Chico, Choco Loco.
Is it Chico or Choco?
Chico Loco.
Chico Loco. That rhymes.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hi.
Yes, are you Chico Loco?
Yes, I am. May I know who's on the line, please?
Right now, my name is Adriana.
Adriana. Oh,
Yes.
what a beautiful name you have, Adriana.
Thank you so much.
No, it's a joke.
Really? I think so.
Huwag ka maniniwala sa akin kagad. Ako nga si Chico Loco eh.
Okay.
His name is Fernando.
Fernando.
Chico, our caller is not really a gay.
Really?
He's a straight guy, but he sounds like a gay.
Really? I thought he's a bi.
Yeah,
You know what bi means?
Yeah, I do.
Why?
It's a bisex.
No. Bi.
What?
Bi-cla.
It's so funny.
Oh my God.
Let me say that again. It's so funny.
Really?
Repeat after me. It's so funny. No, with the intonation that I have. That is so funny.
It's a joke.
Funny. Chico, he's got 2 kids already.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes, 2 kids, a boy
How
and a
did you do
girl.
that?
He's a Ichigay. he's a basha. Bakla pala siya.
No, I'm not. 100% straight.
Straight gay? May magpilitan
Straight
daw ba? Right, okay.
Oh, Chico, invite everyone on at the gig.
Oo nga pala, no? We are inviting everyone.
Where's the invitation?
Oo nga pala. Well, yung nga pala, before anything else, Papa Jack, maraming salamat for having me here. Pero, eto nga, ano nga pangalan niya?
Etong
Adriana.
Yes.
Punta ka naman sa amin, ha, sa Hagonoy, Taguig, sa may CP Tinga Sports Complex. Para yan sa radyo. 2 lang yan. Concert series, ha? Happening on September 24. Kasi makakasama namin dyan, ha, ang bandang Q-Shay. Di ba? Dyan din si Ninya Jose, pati si Andrew Iyo, di ba?
So may libre ba yan or free or...
Hindi, libre free, pareho lang kasi yun, na ma-realize mo siya.
I'm sorry.
Okay lang yan, patatawarin. Next time, hindi na, ha?
Yeah.
Maganda. Ano mga gawin natin? Teach me how to doggy ba tayo?
Naka-planking.
But I know how to doggy na.
Ay!
Hola! Ano ginagawa mo? Ano ginagawa mo? Ay, basta
Come on.
Ako ay isang model.
Model daw.
Ay, teka lang. Ganito, Adrian.
Yeah.
Kasi alam mo yung programa namin sa gabi, Yes FM, Yes Diaries, tsaka yung TLC ni Papa Jack, Even Wild Confessions. This is so fun pag gabi sa estasyon namin kasi 2 program magkasabay.
Okay.
Ewan ko kala, Chico, bakit nang gaya tong mga to. Gusto pong yumaman, nakakayaman po ang panggabi. Yung totoo niyan.
Tama.
Would you try to kill the radio or burn the house?
Okay. Sorry.
Just turn off the radio.
Hindi ko kasi marinig yung boses ko if I sounded like a gay.
Huwag mo na, hayaan mo na. Tama na sinabi namin sa'yo to. Kakakantahan po tayo ni Chico Loco ngayong gabi, mga kaibigan. This is a very seldom privilege that we have.
Okay.
At meron po tayong -1 ng mga kaibigan. Chico Loco will sing for us. Alright? Ito. Are you ready, Chico?
Ready when you're ready.
Alright, bago magpaalam, Adrian!
Yeah.
I might not be able to hear your full confession, but you know, this is very special para sa'yo.
No
Alright?
problem.
Kasi, bibihira to. We have live, chubby guest.
Ano chubby guest?
Alright, mga kaibigan, Chico Loco from Yes FM on the house. Palakpak.
Yeah. Wala hong laitan, ha? Sabi ko ito ay para Papa Jack, para sa mga tao na hindi na pwedeng magsama pa.
Chico Loco on the house, mga kaibigan.
Nakakakaba. Bakit tayo?
Nais ko lang malaman mo laman ng aking puso, makati na mapigyan ng isang pagkakataon na sabihin ito sa'yo. Di ko ito ginusto
Ganda ng boses na.
na tayo'y magkalayo.
Tama, Adrian?
Ang lamig?
Ngunit di magkasundo.
Giniginaw na ako dito.
Laging di magtakbo.
Oh, ano na?
Ayan na.
Paalam na aking mahal. Kay hirap sabihin, paalam na aking mahal. Masakit isipin na kahit nagmamahalan